how to get Apple Music on PC. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can get Apple Music on your PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. Over here, go to the search bar at the top and type Apple Music. After that, you will see the official Apple Music app from Apple Inc. Then select the Get button to start downloading the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Apple Music app. Over here, you will need to agree to the terms before proceeding. Then go to the bottom left and select Sign in. After that, log in with your Apple ID to start using your Apple Music subscription on your Windows PC. So that's how you can get Apple Music on PC. That's all for this video.